this video, let's add sound effect. Okay, I prepared a sound file here, drop.wav. Let's give it a try. We'll use this sound to mimic the dropping of the piece. Okay, so let's drag. Oh, I didn't know that. Oh, that's new feature of the Mac. Double click. What? Okay. Can I double click here? Oh. Drag and drop this file into somewhere. Okay, put it here. Copy item if needed. Yes. So now we can close this one because the file is already here. We can play it, right, by clicking this one. Yeah. And now, how can we trigger the sound in our code? Let's go to View Controller. Okay. Oh, let's clean up this one. MVC. Yes, we are using MVC design pattern. And first of all, we need to import a new module called AV Foundation, Audio Video Foundation. Then we'll define an audio player and its type is AV audio player. No? Oh, AV, sorry. AV audio player. Yes. Has no initializer. Yeah. We do need an initializer for this guy. Let's create one. So just type init and use this one with the initializer with a coder parameter. Okay. The code we need to call super.init and in from before must call a designated initializer of super class. Okay. Oh, we need to call this guy. Yeah. No, cannot use optional chain in non-optional value. Can we fix that? Okay. Now we need to initialize this guy. Let's see if we can do. We need to find the path of this one in our system. So that sound file path equal to bundle dot main dot resource what is that? Let's see. Resource URL, or path, path of resource, string of type, the string is the name of our sound file and of type wave. So next one we can create the URL sound URL equals URL with path, right? Is that file URL with path? Yes, this one. So sound file path. After that, we can do audio player equals try this one, AV audio player, content of URL. This is our sound URL. Yeah, each step could fail. So because that's guarantee it doesn't fail, okay? Using it by ourselves. So this one must call designate the initializer. And what is that? Oh, yeah. Super, yeah. Super, so we needed the coder here. Coder. Is it? Compile? Yeah. We needed to call this initializer of our super. Super means this guy. Now, audio player. Oh, we missed one step. Audio player dot prepare to play. Yeah, to get ready for playing. Now, tap. We can play a sound here. Audio player dot play. This one. Let's give a try. Run it. Drop. Okay, let me increase the volume so you can hear it. Right? We only drop the yellow piece for now. Yeah. So let me summarize. We import AV Foundation module or library, and we defined a player with type AVAudioPlayer. Then we create an initializer using that structure required init question mark. There are some advanced concepts here, so don't worry about that for now. What is coder? What is the next coder? We only need this, right? Those 7 lines, yeah, or 8 lines of code. And before we call super.init coder, right? We initialize our get ready for our audio player. So three steps. First, we created the file path based on the file name. Then we create an URL object, right? Using this file path. After that, we can try to create the object audio player using this sound URL. And after that, okay, the first step, sorry, and we prepare to play, okay? We can get some information by option click, this one. So what does it do? Summary, prepares the audio player for playback by preloading its buffers. Yeah, so some preparation work, right? It's done here. That's it. See you next time.